Hi, I'm Zach Sprout, Director of Technology for Southwestern Consolidated Schools. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you register your child for the upcoming school year. Start by logging in to PowerSchool at swshelby.powerschool.com using the same credentials you normally use to check your child's grades. Once logged in, look to the bottom of the left-hand menu and click on Registration. Check the box confirming that you are at least 13 years old, and then click Begin Forms to begin the enrollment process. You'll be prompted to enter your child's date of birth. Once you've entered it, click Continue. Now simply follow the instructions provided and fill out each section of the registration form. If you have more than one child in the school system, you'll be asked if you want to continue with the next child after completing the first form. If you choose to continue, your contact information will carry over, making the process easier and faster. If you choose not to continue right away, you can always return later. Just note that you will need to re-enter your contact information when you do. If you have any questions or need assistance, contact your school office or email us at tech@swshelby.k12.in.us. I look forward to seeing you all next school year and have a great upcoming summer.